Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What are the lyrics of your heart? The content, what is it saying to you? Listen to yourself, not to what the world is trying to let you know. They may say that you're missing out on something. You have to walk, you have to live this way, you have to think this way. No, you have to think like you, like the individual. You have the wisdom of the universe. You came in this world knowing all things. It's just when we were born, we forgot these things. And now we have to just, in our silent times, take time to ourselves and think. Ask ourselves, ask the universe, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ, for the questions, for the answers to our questions, so they can come to you and your heart will sing the answers to you. Trust yourself, trust your intuition, because you are right and you always are right and always will be right. I silence the fear in me and I discover the voice of my heart. I'm not scared to listen to myself. Therefore, fear leaves me out my presence and I continue to go and move on and grow as an all-powerful being. The fruit of these words guides me. And I trust the song of my soul, and I dance all the way to success, peace, and love, prosperity. My intuition leads me to the path of light where I belong. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.